The Swann 8-channel home security camera system is a great choice for medium-sized properties. Its 4K Ultra HD DVR system is both indoor and outdoor, and comes with a mobile app. It also integrates with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa to provide real-time alerts. This product is a good value for the money. The camera system can only record images of one camera at a time. Although Swann offers a number of security camera systems, it does not offer professional monitoring. These systems are designed for de-installations. These security cameras feature night vision and motion sensors, and they're suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The Swann 8-channel home video recorder is also easy to install, and it comes with a 60-day recording period. This system is highly rated on Amazon. If you want to get the most out of your system, you should consider purchasing the Professional Security Plan, which is the best option for most users. While Swann's home security camera system is designed for do-it-yourself installations, you should be aware that it does not come with professional monitoring. Though it does come with installation instructions, you may want to hire a third-party installation company to install it for you. They will provide tutorials for you to use the cameras. Since Swann isn't in the business of professional monitoring, it's recommended that you hire a professional installation service. The SimpliSafe 8-piece wireless home security system is a great investment for homeowners who don't want to break the bank. This system is easy to install and uses a 24-hour battery that powers the devices. The SimpliSafe also has pure Wi-Fi and cellular connections, so you can monitor multiple homes from a single device. The system is very reliable and can protect up to 100 properties at once. The SimpliSafe security system comes with 3 modes. The first is the home mode, which activates the sensors on the doors and windows, while the second is the away mode, which is useful for testing the sensors. You can adjust the volume by adjusting the knob on the base station or using the app. A beep will sound if a sensor is triggered. When you are away, the alarm will stop. The SimpliSafe has a 24-hour monitoring plan. This plan costs $25 per month and is cheaper than most contract-based security systems. It may even be covered by insurance. If you're concerned about security in your home, this system could be an excellent choice. There are other wireless home security systems available that do not require an upfront payment. However, the SimpliSafe is worth considering if you're on a tight budget and still want to make sure that your home is protected. The REOLINK 5-megapixel 8-channel home security camera system comes with a variety of useful features to keep your home and family safe. The IP66 weatherproof rating of the cameras allows them to work in temperatures from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. This is ideal for outdoor use. You can install a security camera anywhere in your home and have it work, no matter the weather. The cameras also feature live streaming, so you can view what is happening around your home at any time. This security camera system offers high-resolution footage thanks to its 5-megapixel image sensor, which is 1.4x higher than 1440p or 1080p full high definition. The camera system has an infrared illuminator, which is crucial in nighttime. This allows you to monitor suspicious activity while you're away. With the system, you can also easily review footage by connecting the cameras to a PC or a smart device. You can use this system indoors and outdoors, day or night. The cameras are fully compatible with both Wi-Fi and 4G. The system has a 4 TB hard drive and is supported by both iOS and Android devices. This system is easy to install and uses just one network cable. The eufyCam 2C is a high-quality, wireless home security camera system that records in full HD 1080p. This camera system is weatherproof and built to withstand any kind of weather. The eufyCam 2 is also designed for privacy, as eufySecurity ensures that your security data is protected. With so many features, it's hard to choose the right one for your home or business. The eufyCam 2C is easy to install and use. Installation is a simple process. The base station must be connected to an electrical outlet and to your router via Ethernet cable. The cameras connect to the base station using a QR code. You can sync the cameras using the app, either on your computer or on your phone. When you install the camera, you must first download the free eufySecurity app and then connect the camera to the base station. The eufyCam 2C is easy to install and has an IP67 rating. It records in 1080p HD and can last for up to 180 days. The battery is replaceable but is not removable. The cameras can be recharged using a micro USB cable. Once a month, the camera can store up to 300 full video cycles. This means that you can expect up to 5 years of recording time. The Ring Alarm is a modern home security system that includes a base station and 14-piece kit of sensors. The app features a user-friendly dashboard and live preview windows of each sensor installed in your home. The Ring app also has built-in functions for alarm control, including disarmed, home, away, and a 24-hour backup battery. The device is easy to install without a professional, but it is important to place the sensors in the right locations. If you're looking for a more sophisticated home security system, the Ring Alarm 14-piece kit is a great choice. It features a wireless router, video doorbells, and indoor cameras that can record videos if your home is broken into. The Ring Indoor Cam and Video Doorbell both work with the Ring Alarm Security Kit. Once the alarm is armed, they can be connected to the camera and begin recording video. The Ring Alarm Security Kit is designed for small homes. For $259, you get a base station, keypad, motion sensor, and a Z-Wave range extender. It's easy to install and includes all the equipment you need to monitor your home. It's easy to add more components if you need to, but the 14-piece kit is best for homes that are between 1,000 and 2,000 square feet.